Looking for a fun way to get creative? Have you considered trying pony beads kit? A quick disclaimer here, I received this kit free to review. Let's see what's inside. But first, look at this packaging. Isn't that just pretty? And look how thick the box is. It's substantial size and weight. Oh my gosh, I just love those pictures here. It's a combination of a glossy part and matte here. You can see how my light reflects on some parts of it, and even the back is pretty. The Deinduser name on the back. I just love the presentation. You can just put a bow on the top and it's a ready gift. I just love how easily I can open it, and just look at this. You slide the top out. The little message here says, handmade is not yet discouraged by art. Isn't that a great message? It has a little tab over here which you need to pull. It's so satisfying to pull. And let's see what hides inside. Oh my gosh. There are two boxes. So this is the first box with all the leather beads. There is a little snip tool here. That is such a handy tool, not only for beads, but for any crafts. The string. Let me take out the box. Oh my gosh, more stuff. Here are the pony beads. We have some pipe cleaners and some more strings. And it is just such a great storage box. You can store your finished bracelets and jewelry you make. That is so neat. Look at this message here. You're the most talented bracelet designer. Oh my gosh, what a detail. Great design. Buy with confidence.